Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to start the Revolut Kid account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Yes, you can create a Revolut Kids, also called Revolut Kids and Teens or Junior account for your child, but it has to be created through your own Revolut account. In order to do it, first what you need to do is open up your Revolut application and be sure to be logged in. Make sure you already have a Revolut personal account. You need this to create a Kids account. Then once that's done, what you need to do is tap on the home button on the bottom right corner of the screen if you haven't, and then simply tap on the account section. Then once you're there, simply scroll down and then tap on add new. Then once that's done, choose the Kids or Kids and Teens option to start creating the child's account. Then next is to enter your child's details. You'll need to provide your child's full name, date of birth, sometimes gender or relationship, and then follow the prompts in the app to complete this form. Next is to set up controls. As the lead parent, you'll get controls so you can set spending limits, monitor spending, add money and weekly allowance, freeze or unfreeze the card anytime, and then after creating the account, you can order a physical or a virtual card from within the app for your child to use, which fees may apply for personalization. Now once the account exists, they can download the Revolut Kids and Teens app, simply scan the QR code or enter the phone number from the Revolut app to link their app to the account, and this lets them see their balance and pay with their card as permissions apply. Note that Kids and Teens accounts are typically for children aged 6 to 17. Children under a certain age varies from country, must have the account created by a parent. Teens are threshold, example 13 to 16 years, may initiate setting themselves and they get parental approval. Only parents or legal guardians with a Revolut account can create this. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.